Wow, ganda ng mga build mo, brother. Good day, everyone. I'm Andre, ay startup brand owner, no? Ngayon pupunta tayo kay Alex Lim, no? aka Banawi Boy. So, we are here sa house nila Alex Lim, Sir Alex Lim. Hi, brother. Andre.
Alex.
Kumusta, Alex?
All good, all good. So, ito yun.
Okay lang ba na i-document ko yung journey ko as the startup brand yan?
This one, you made it. Can I see?
Wow, ganda ng mga build mo, brother.
Japanese brand siya yan.
Oh, pwede mo makita.
So, it works like this. So, this is the clipper. And this is the scent. So, okay. Ang bango nga. May amoy na siya.
Meron na, brother.
Okay. The skin, naka-magnets. Pretty tight. Okay. Okay.
How was it, brother?
Pretty sleek. Simple. Yung amoy
First
mabango.
impression.
Oo. Maganda siya kasi kakaiba yung thinking. It's not the usual
Yeah.
ones like
Hindi
this.
siya abstraction.
Or the
Yeah.
aircon. Siguro pwede mo lagay dito or whatever. Yung
Yeah,
mga ganun.
yeah,
I mean,
pwede.
kasi clip. Next time you can buy it like this na lang.
As of now, brother, hindi ko pa siya
It's a
ino-offer.
set.
Yeah, set
okay.
pa lang.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I like it. Oh, type ko yung sleekness niya. You can
Yeah.
use it different types
Saka ano
of
siya,
stores. Saka pwede mo
nagko-compliments.
ilipat-lipat.
Good stuff.
Pero itens lang yan ba? Ito manipis eh. I think sa Jimny, mga sponsorships naman. Pero in terms of mga ganyan, it depends kasi kung saan mo ibebenta. Pero ito, sabihan mo saan platform mo bebenta para I know what to tell. I'll do a quick story and everything. I'll post on tech lang.
So, brother, hindi na ako magtatagal.
No worries, no worries. But sabihan mo lang ako.
Yun lang naman. Thank you sa pagsama sa akin dito. And see you on the next. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yan, dito tayo ngayon sa Shakey's, no? Kasi birthday nung kapatid natin sa Ivan. Hey. Happy birthday, boy. Bye-bye.